Can we try one more?
Yeah.
Better luck next time, Rex.
Yeah, pussy. Wait. Waiting for the next close on.
Let's go.
The door to the right side will open. Me?
Ooh, looks good, bud.
It looks delicious, so let's try it. Yeah, it's really good.
You're eating chicken.
I'm a carnivore.
What do carnivores eat?
Meat. Oh, the tray! Bye.
Look at this.
Oh, cool veggie. That is awesome.
Daddy, can you get me that cake?
What kind of veggie? This looks like a centipede.
Centipede. It's a centipede. Actually, it's an anemone. It's an anemone. And they eat the anemones.
Daddy's gonna try it.
Does it taste like anemone?
You put it's a
Doesn't
scissors.
taste like anything.
What? No. What? It doesn't taste.
Try
No.
it. There you go. Wait, no. Let me take a picture. Come on.
Ooh, look at you.
Look at mom. Look.
Wait.
We're gonna eat it ALL.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Does it taste good?
Doesn't taste like anything. What is these called?
Those are called mini trees. Are there mini trees?
Silly boy.
Daddy, you can have the tomatoes if
Okay.
you want.
You need to eat tomatoes because it's good for your prostate.
What? Do you like tomatoes? You love them? I'm going for the dressing.
Take this off, okay?
Just for the moment.
Nice hair.
They have dino hair.
What?
It's Dino hat hair.
Hey guys, we're at a Tokyo Bay and I just ate the whole tomato.
That's all that's
Even the
left.
part that Mama didn't eat. I love this chicken.
How do you like your food so far?
It's pretty good. Want to try some?
No thank you. I don't eat vegetables. I'm a carnivore.
Just try.
Do you have any cow? I could eat a whole cow. Yum, 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 yum.
Well, I will give you some salad.
No salad for me, thank you. Okay, let's go. Of course, he puts it on the very end.
See you later.
Good job. You were super happy about your experience here?
Yes. Thanks, Tokyo. It was good.
How does this work? Oh, cool. It's like the Death Star. Can you reach it? Get the ticket. There you go. Liam. Thank you.
Hi, thank you.
How does it taste, bud?
Good. It's vanilla. It's this cool, Dad?
You tell me, is it cool?
Yes. Totally. It tastes squishy. Dad, your battery's gonna die. This includes our tour of Volcano Tokyo, but I hope you enjoyed it.